During our trip to Belize, we spent one night in Placencia and stayed at Julia's Guesthouse. It's kind of a basic, no-frills guest house. We rented a room that ended up having 2 beds in it. As you can see, it's a pretty big room. We had kind of a full-size bed on one side over here and had a really big fridge. It wasn't plugged in when we first got there, but we plugged it in and it got cold pretty quick. Good sized fan, that was nice to have. Little TV, plugs near the TV and the fan's plugged in there. It's got some storm shutter style windows. There were screens as well. You can see the full size bed. Really thin blankets and everything, which is what you want. More storm shutter windows over here. Everything open, so during the day you could open it all up and the air would flow through. If it was too hot though, the air conditioner was doing a great job. We set it here to 62 just to cool down the room, and it really did get it quite cold. Underneath this bed you can fit all your bags. There's a small dresser here as well. TV remote, air conditioner remote. They want you to help conserve energy. Plug right above your bed though, so you can charge your phone while you're in bed and still use it. Over here near the door is the world's smallest safe. I don't know what you have that's valuable to put in here, but you also stay at this guest house, like diamond rings or something. It didn't open either, but there is a safe. You've got a little dresser here, a really convenient plug right above it. Some paintings and stuff on the wall. And then we had a single size bed over here. This one though, the frame goes all the way down, so you couldn't fit anything in there if you wanted to underneath it. It's got this kind of wardrobe area where it's got some towels on. There's some hangers so you can hang up your own clothes if you wanted to. Good to, like, if you had something to dry real quick. Here's the bathroom. Everything's pretty basic in here. You got your sink. You know, a little bit of storage area where you can stuff in some bags and stuff. Toilet. Storm shutter window above that as well. Everything's tiled. And then a super big mirror. Maybe not so big. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that bell for notifications on when we launch our new videos. Here's your shower. The water pressure was super strong and it did get super hot, so I had no problems there. One of the other reasons some might stay here is this outside area where you can actually cook. It has pots and pans. You've got a microwave, a toaster, coffee maker, a little cutting board area, a steel sink, some plates and things like that. You got outlets for power out here as well. Full oven, burners, a little spice rack with a couple things others have left. Full silverware, whatever you kind of need to make basic meals if you did want to cook. It was so hot though, I can't imagine cooking, but I'm sure someone out there would want to. Here's really the best part of the place though, is the proximity to the beach. You're just steps away, and it really was awesome to be this close. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to throw down any questions or comments below, and we'll do our best to answer them.